This is how easy it is to get this Apron Maven sourdough starter going. This is the San Francisco style. They have a number of different styles for different locations, and it just comes to you liquid, and you just add your ingredients. We start with 30 grams of water. This is just lukewarm. This is filtered from the dispenser on the refrigerator. And then shake it, wake them up, and make sure they're nice and happy. Look at you. Then we need 50 more grams of water for a total of 80 grams of water. Perfect. And 80 grams of flour. We're gonna stir it up. Good morning, kids. Looks really good. That's it. Now we just sit back and watch it spring to life. And there you go. Got this little scale, the jar, the band, the thermometer, and the spatula from Apron Maven as part of a starter kit. It's got a hat to put on around here somewhere as well that I'll dig out in a second, but pretty much everything you might need to get your starter started. You don't strictly need to get anything. You can do it all on your own, but I'm a sucker for convenience, so all right, what is today? Today is Wednesday. It's about 6 a.m. Perfect. All right. We'll come back here later today and see how we're doing. Okay, here we are just about 6 hours later, and you can see that this guy has just about doubled. So pretty happy with that. Nice and active. You can see the bubbles in there. And we'll go ahead and feed it again, same ratio, take it back to 30 at 80 grams of flour, 80 grams of water, and we'll watch this get stronger and stronger. But as you can see, right out of the jar, the way it comes, it is an active sourdough culture. So pretty happy with that, and I think you will be too. So I hope this helps.